Hey everyone, welcome back to the Harness YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll show a walkthrough on how you can use Liquibase MongoDB native executor for your Mongo database deployments. Now, if you have ever tried using Liquibase Community Edition with MongoDB, you will see that we get an issue something similar to this. So verify the change set definitions, change type, and attributes are correct, context okay, migration failed, because the prime reason is that Liquibase was originally designed for SQL databases, not for NoSQL, which is a MongoDB. So historically, team had only two choices: either build some fragile workaround or move to the paid extension. Yeah. And that is what exactly is solved by Harness Liquibase MongoDB extension. So it's completely free under Apache 2.0 license, and we wanted to contribute back to the community, not some in a way of a gated feature or a proprietary add-on. Our goal was simple: make MongoDB a first class in database DevOps workflow. This extension is built on the top of official Liquibase extension, and so all the packages, everything is packed into a single executable jar file. Since it is maintained and created by Harness, it also supports CI/CD alignment, so your database changes move through the same pipeline as your application. And we have also added the rollback support, which is missing right now. The native MongoDB execution run real Mongo scripts and not a SQL transaction layer. So it's also my version migration. Every changes are tracked, repeatable, and auditable. So this brings document databases into the same operational maturity model, which we already had with relation base. Now it's very easy to use. You just need to have a jar file loaded into your Liquibase library. I'll show on how we can do so, and just add the dependency similar to this in your pom.xml. Now there are two ways on how you can use the jar. First way is you can download or clone this project and then build your jar file via mv and clean install. Other way is to directly use, clear my screen, the curl command to download the latest jar file. And so what this will do, it will check for it checks for Maven metadata and then automatically downloads the latest release which we have, and then you can just copy the latest file into this. So for me, the Liquibase path is different. It's Liquibase xlib, because I have downloaded via Homebrew. But if you install it via manual, that's zip, the folder structure or the file path will be different for you. In that case, it will be Liquibase home internal/lib. So now once this is done, I'll just update my POM XML under Liquibase core. I'll just copy paste this one. So this is the latest release version that we have. Now, once this is done, I'll quickly share on this one. So in today's walkthrough, I'm using Liquibase MongoDB Quick Start. You can find, I'll drop it into the description as well. I just clone, and they already have a create collection. So when this one will get collection with validator. And so I'll just update my Liquibase property to reflect the same thing. Now let me clear my screen and run the Liquibase update once again. So now we can see that our changelog, that's changelog create collection.xml, is successfully able to run, and we got our results. So if we check Liquibase status, we'll see a couple of things. So it's up to date. Liquibase command status was executed successfully, and yep. That is all for this video. The intent behind Harness Liquibase MongoDB executor is not just bringing MongoDB into a modern database lifecycle, but if you're already a Liquibase Community Edition user, This gives you a native path to manage your MongoDB changes without paying for extensions or building custom tooling. We hope you like this video. And for any queries and questions, do comment or you can join our Harness community Slack. Thank you, everyone.